It really is extremely versatile. The Danessa Myricks Beauty Dewy Cheek and Lip Palette. They are really pretty. I think this is a fantastic fall palette to add to your collection. Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel, Attorney Brooke. It's been a hot minute, but I wanted to hop on and chat with you guys, say what's up, and show you one of my favorite fall makeup palettes right now. And I have had my eyes on it for a while and I finally snagged it. It's by Danessa Myricks. You can see I've already started using it. It is the Danessa Myricks Beauty Dewy Cheek and Lip Palette. And this one is the darker like fall hues. So starting from this side, you have the Hush Hush, then Nuditude, I don't know, can't read. And then Wallflower, and then this darkest one is Top Secret. This dark one I have on my cheeks right now. I did have on some pink powder blush earlier, but then I coated it with a little bit of like the Top Secret, which is this really pretty like deep like red wine oxblood color, and it can be diffused out to really give like some good fall cheek pigment, or you can layer it up and get a bold lip like I did right here. That is what is so cool about this palette. It's cream based, so if you don't love a cream product or you're not familiar with it, familiar with using cream products, I wouldn't just automatically like naysay it out of options to try, because it really is extremely versatile. I like these warm tones, almost getting that like rusty kind of fall feel, all the way down, like I said, to that deep reddish oxblood color is gorgeous. I'll try to show you the formula a little bit up close. You can see where I've been pulling from it. You can obviously pull straight from your finger if you want, and then I've been using makeup brushes, and they are really pretty for just some good fall colors. If you want to kind of get out of like the baby pink hues, which there's no rule. If you like it, you know, if it ain't broke, don't fix it. But if you wanted to switch something up, something a little bit fresh, something to pull in those warmer fall tones, then I would say this is the exact palette to snag. Super versatile, all the way obviously from lips to cheeks. You can get a monochromatic look by using one color, similar to what I did, or mix it all in for, you know, whatever makes you happy. And it is 32 bucks. I got it at Sephora. I think the 32 bucks is a fantastic price point for it, because I know personally this is gonna last me for a really long time, and the versatility you get out of it is worth it, as well as this would be a great palette to take for like if you're traveling and you just kind of want minimal products with you. This one's great for just all around monochromatic looks, like I said. But yeah, I love the Danessa Myricks line. It's a Black-owned business owned by a woman, Danessa Myricks herself. I love her line because it's really fun. Like, she dabbles a lot in a lot of color, and her Instagram's pretty cool because it shows a lot of different tutorials of how to create versatility with her products. And so if you're someone like me who just kind of sticks to bronzes and nudes, and like that's my norm or my comfortability zone, Danessa Myricks is really fun to try to snag products to start incorporating some color and, you know, some fun into your routine. But anywho, that was it. Just wanted to show you guys what this was about. I think this is a fantastic fall palette to add to your collection, and definitely worth the price point. I snagged mine at Sephora. And if you love watching makeup and want to see a lot of fun, creative type looks, I would say definitely give Danessa Myricks a follow, and she's fantastic. All right, you guys, if you like this video, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button to see more of my content coming out your way, and I will catch you guys on the flip side. Bye.